Miss Madrigal,
Yes.
can you hear me okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay, so reason you are here is that we are going to talk about your offense. And let me just look at your file. We have two offenses, one for driving with a suspended or invalid driver's license. And then we have a second offense for running a stop sign. What we need to do today is go ahead and enter pleas. You need to enter one plea on each offense. So I'm going to go ahead and read you the pleas, and then you tell me which plea you want to enter for which offense, okay?
Okay.
Ms. Madrigal, is there a way for you to turn on your video? If you go to the right-hand side of your square, there should be a blue square with 3 dots that shows up. If you click on that, it will say start video if you have video capability. If it doesn't say it, then that means that you just don't have it, but that's okay. It's just if you had, it might be easier for you to see us and so we can see you.
I'm not very good with technology. Let me ask my daughter. Hold on.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes.
Okay.
If it doesn't work, that's fine. We'll just proceed.
Oh,
So you hear me all right, Ms. Madrigal?
now I can't even see you. Hello?
Yes.
I don't know what I did and I can't see you now.
Okay, go to the right, the top right of your screen.
Okay, I got it.
There should be a little blue square with 3 dots. If you click on it, it'll say video, join with video. If you click on that, then your video should come on if you have that capability.
It says raise hand, disconnect audio, chat, and meeting settings.
Okay, so then you don't have the video. Okay, well then we'll just go ahead and proceed. Okay, so Ms. Madrigal, the 2 offenses that you had, we just talked about them. It's the driving with a suspended or invalid driver's license and then running a stop sign. So the purpose of today is for you to enter one plea on each offense. I'm going to go ahead and read you the pleas. Let's start with the running a stop sign, and then you tell me which plea you want to enter. So the first choice you have is what we call plea of nolo contendere. That is Latin for no contest. That means you're not admitting or denying you committed the offense, but you're telling the court you want to get the fine and court costs taken care of. The second choice you have is a plea of guilty. Yes, I did it. Third choice, plea of not guilty. So to the offense of running a stop sign, which plea would you like to enter?
The first one?
Okay, so that's the no contest. So I'm going to go ahead and sign your name, Celia Denise Madrigal.
Yes.
Okay, and I'm going to date it today's date, 1/25/2021. What is a good address for you, Miss Madrigal?
1111 Woodworth Drive, apartment 704. Woodworth
Drive. Okay, I'm sorry.
Apartment 704.
704. Okay, here in Alice. Okay, and what about a good phone number for you, ma'am?
361-236-9862.
Okay, thank you. So now let's move on to the other offense, which is driving with a suspended or invalid driver's license. The pleas are the same. Which plea would you like to enter for this offense?
Guilty.
Guilty? Is that what you said, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to sign your name on guilty. And then today is 1/25/2021. Okay, so the total for this, both of these offenses, fine and court costs is $540. And it looks like you had some old business here with us. When we add everything, the total is $3,778.80. It looks like you're on payment plans,
Yes.
but haven't been keeping them current.
No, ma'am, because of all this COVID stuff.
So are you working right now?
I clean houses like part-time.
Yeah, that's
And
work.
yes, as a matter of fact, I'm supposed to do that today. So if that's the case, then I'll go ahead and make a payment. How do I do that? Do I just mail a money order in?
You can mail it in, or you can make the payment through online with a debit or a credit card.
Okay, and what is what do I look up to pay that?
My clerk will give you that information, but first let's go ahead and, so these two offenses, what I will do, we'll go ahead and add them to your payment plan. Okay.
Okay.
And do you remember how much you were supposed to pay every month on your payment plan?
I think like $50.
Okay,
I'm not,
so I'll go
I'm
ahead
not,
and keep it at $50 a month. And then I'll put on here that you'll be making a payment today.
maybe.
Okay, it needs to be made by February 1st.
Okay.
Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and set you up for a status hearing on, let's do February 23rd.
And what's that?
Actually, let's do March 8th. What were you going to say, ma'am?
What is a status hearing?
We'll show up so we can make sure that you made your payment for February and March.
Okay.
Okay, now let me read you the address back. I just want to make sure I have it right, because my clerk is going to go ahead and send you the documents that you will need to sign and get back to us.
Okay.
And it'll be to the address that I wrote down. So I want to make sure I got it right. It's 1111 Woodworth Drive, apartment 706 here in Ellis, Texas.
No, 704.
I'm sorry, 704. I wrote down 704. I just did the wrong, sorry.
It's
So it's
the
apartment
Village Green
704
apartment.
here in Ellis, Texas.
Yes.
Okay, great. So keep an eye on your mail. You should be getting it here in the next few days. You'll need to sign and you can mail it back or you can bring it in. You just need to wear a mask when you come in.
Okay.
Okay, do you have any other questions, ma'am?
No, ma'am, that's it.
Okay, thank you so much. You have a nice day.
Thank you. You as well.
Thank you.
Hello.